If you're curious about how to get your students hooked into their digital account in Benchmark Universe, this little video will help you. So let's just go to your grade level page. I'm in 3rd grade. Scroll down to the digital learning resources and online textbooks. This will begin the path to the directions. We're going to click that, and then we're going to go down to the language arts icon. Now, under textbook titles, you're going to see Elementary Benchmark Universe, grades K through 5 new. Click on that. Now here is your page. This is probably the page that you want to use directly with students or to use in guiding them through the first time. So students will log in through the RRISD hub. So let me go back and show you what that looks like. That is this right here at the very top. So students will access through that. And then they'll click on the Clever icon, which is here on the screen. Then they'll click on the benchmark, and then they should be redirected to the digital content and find the things that you have assigned to them. Benchmark has some great help tips in the Benchmark Universe that you can use. And so anytime you see the show me how words on the screen, it'll take you to a video. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and happy reading and writing with Benchmark.